To request payments using Zelle, start by ensuring you have a Zelle account linked to your bank or credit union. If you do not have an account, you can enroll through your financial institution's mobile app or website, or by downloading the Zelle app and following the in-app instructions. Next, open your Zelle app or access Zelle through your financial institution's mobile app or website. Navigate to the Request Money section, which is usually found on the main dashboard or under a tab labeled Send or Request Money. Enter the recipient's email address or mobile number associated with their Zelle account. You can also select contacts from your phone book if you have granted the Zelle app permission to access your contacts. Ensure the recipient's information is accurate to avoid any issues with the payment request. Specify the amount you want to request and add a note to describe the purpose of the request. This note is optional but recommended to provide context for the payment. Review the request details carefully before submitting. Once you have confirmed the request details, tap or click the Request Money button. The recipient will receive a notification with the request details, including the amount and note. If the recipient accepts the request and sends the payment, you will receive the funds directly into your bank account, usually within minutes. Best practices for requesting payments using Zelle include keeping your account information up to date, double-checking recipient information to avoid errors, and using clear and descriptive notes to provide context for the payment request. Additionally, be aware of Zelle's transaction limits and fees, which may vary depending on your financial institution and the type of transaction. By following these steps and best practices, you can easily and securely request payments using Zelle, making it a convenient and efficient way to receive money from friends, family, or clients.